Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In this one you can see the beautiful bathroom, you can see the lights, backside lights, mirror and the walls and all. And this one the beautiful swimming pool you can see, and the roof you can see the lights and all. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the floor, the wall, the mirrors and all, very beautiful decoration. And this one is very beautiful, you can see the ring lights, the mirror and the walls and the floor. And this also you can see very beautiful, the pink color flowers and all, and the black color flower and the floor you can see. And this one also you can see very beautiful theme, the white color theme inside, outside, and the power, the water and all. It's also very beautiful, the beautiful lamps and all. And this one also very beautiful, the pink purple color flowers and the floor, the table and very beautiful. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the walls, the floor, the roof lights, beautiful lights. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the mirror, you can see the wall, you can see the lamp and all, and the floor, the cupboards and all. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the lights and the mirror, the floor, the water and all. And this one also very beautiful, the pink color roses and all, and the lamp, the mirror, the cupboards and all beautiful. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the flower, the decoration and all. And this one also you can see very beautiful, you can see the lamps and all, and the floor, the mirror, very beautiful. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the mirror, backside the lights you can see, and the wall decoration. And this one also the floor, you can see black color floor, and the flowers you can see beautiful pink color flowers. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the lights. And also I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, take care and goodbye.